My birthday is in April this year.
My birthday is in April this year.
It rains a lot in April.
It rains a lot in April.
We go on holiday in August.
We go on holiday in August.
August is a very hot month here.
August is a very hot month here.
I bought a CD of calm music yesterday.
I bought a CD of calm music yesterday.
This CD has 10 songs I really like.
This CD has 10 songs I really like.
I watched a movie on DVD last night.
I watched a movie on DVD last night.
This DVD has my favorite film.
This DVD has my favorite film.
My birthday is in December.
My birthday is in December.
December is a cold month.
December is a cold month.
My birthday is in February.
My birthday is in February.
It is often cold in February.
It is often cold in February.
We have English class every Friday at 9.
We have English class every Friday at 9.
My birthday is on Friday this year.
My birthday is on Friday this year.
I like to read books in my free time.
I like to read books in my free time.
I am from a small town near the mountains.
I am from a small town near the mountains.
January is the first month of the year.
January is the first month of the year.
My birthday is in January.
My birthday is in January.
July is a very hot month.
July is a very hot month.
We go on holiday in July.
We go on holiday in July.
June is the 6th month of the year.
June is the 6th month of the year.
The weather is warm in June.
The weather is warm in June.
School starts again in March after the break.
School starts again in March after the break.
My brother was born in March last year.
My brother was born in March last year.
School ends in May in our country.
School ends in May in our country.
We plan a trip for May this year.
We plan a trip for May this year.
I start my new job on Monday.
I start my new job on Monday.
The party is on Monday after school.
The party is on Monday after school.
My birthday is in November.
My birthday is in November.
November is a cold month.
November is a cold month.
Okay, I will help you.
Okay, I will help you.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
October is my favorite month.
October is my favorite month.
Her birthday is in October.
Her birthday is in October.
We have no classes on Saturday this week.
We have no classes on Saturday this week.
I will visit my grandmother on Saturday.
I will visit my grandmother on Saturday.
School starts in September in my country.
School starts in September in my country.
Her birthday is in September every year.
Her birthday is in September every year.
We go to church on Sunday.
We go to church on Sunday.
Sunday is a day for rest.
Sunday is a day for rest.
I wear a blue t-shirt to school today.
I wear a blue t-shirt to school today.
This t-shirt is too big for me.
This t-shirt is too big for me.
We watch TV in the evening.
We watch TV in the evening.
Is there a good movie on TV?
Is there a good movie on TV?
I have a music class on Thursday.
I have a music class on Thursday.
Thursday is my favorite day of the week.
Thursday is my favorite day of the week.
We have a meeting on Tuesday.
We have a meeting on Tuesday.
Tuesday comes after Monday.
Tuesday comes after Monday.
We have a meeting on Wednesday.
We have a meeting on Wednesday.
Wednesday is the middle of the week.
Wednesday is the middle of the week.
I have a red car in the garage.
I have a red car in the garage.
She eats an apple every day.
She eats an apple every day.
Tell me about your family and friends.
Tell me about your family and friends.
The movie is about a happy dog.
The movie is about a happy dog.
The picture is above the big sofa.
The picture is above the big sofa.
Look at the blue sky above us.
Look at the blue sky above us.
The bank is across the street.
The bank is across the street.
We walk across the park to school.
We walk across the park to school.
I like movies with a lot of action.
I like movies with a lot of action.
This game has exciting action for everyone.
This game has exciting action for everyone.
Reading is a good activity for students.
Reading is a good activity for students.
Which activity do you like the best?
Which activity do you like the best?
He is a famous actor in movies.
He is a famous actor in movies.
The actor plays a doctor in the show.
The actor plays a doctor in the show.
She is a very beautiful actress.
She is a very beautiful actress.
The actress wears a nice dress today.
The actress wears a nice dress today.
Please add some sugar to my tea.
Please add some sugar to my tea.
You can add more friends to the group.
You can add more friends to the group.
What is your home address, please?
What is your home address, please?
Please write your address on this paper.
Please write your address on this paper.
One adult ticket costs $10.
One adult ticket costs $10.
You must be an adult to drive.
You must be an adult to drive.
My mother gives me good advice.
My mother gives me good advice.
Can I give you some friendly advice?
Can I give you some friendly advice?
The little boy is afraid of dogs.
The little boy is afraid of dogs.
Do not be afraid of the dark.
Do not be afraid of the dark.
We can play games after school today.
We can play games after school today.
Wash your hands after you eat dinner.
Wash your hands after you eat dinner.
I have a class in the afternoon.
I have a class in the afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Can you say that again, please?
Can you say that again, please?
I want to watch this movie again.
I want to watch this movie again.
What is the age of your brother?
What is the age of your brother?
People of every age like music.
People of every age like music.
I saw him 2 days ago.
I saw him 2 days ago.
We moved here a long time ago.
We moved here a long time ago.
I agree with you about the movie.
I agree with you about the movie.
Do you agree with my idea?
Do you agree with my idea?
The air is very cold this morning.
The air is very cold this morning.
Birds fly high up in the air.
Birds fly high up in the air.
We need to go to the airport.
We need to go to the airport.
The airport is far from the city.
The airport is far from the city.
All the students are in the classroom.
All the students are in the classroom.
I ate all of my dinner tonight.
I ate all of my dinner tonight.
I like apples, and I also like bananas.
I like apples, and I also like bananas.
She speaks English and also Spanish.
She speaks English and also Spanish.
The sun always rises in the morning.
The sun always rises in the morning.
She is always happy to see us.
She is always happy to see us.
The view from here is amazing.
The view from here is amazing.
You did an amazing job today.
You did an amazing job today. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.